But I shouldn't see by now. I shouldn't. Sajide.
How can you stand on me? How can you stand the white? See them, they picked up the right for road now. See them, come out! Let's go for who? I bet shit, no they shit. See what's going to pick with the right, not like Sowore. And that is why I access for you. What is the job? Don't push me like that. No, go. Don't push me like that. Share my clothes. Share my clothes. You have to stop. Yes. You have to stop. Tell you. Hold on. Share my clothes. I don't know that shame. You are just harassing me. You're not ashamed. See what you are doing. You're not ashamed. See what you are doing. See what he's doing? He's standing outside. Look at that. Tear my clothes. When I don't go right at that time. When you Sowore, you are tearing my clothes. What did I do to you? And your parents are proud of you in this uniform. You are tearing my clothes. What did I do? And your parents are proud of you in this uniform. Do you think that with this rifle or without this rifle, and your parents are proud of you? Can you withstand me? Can you withstand me? Instruments of oppression. In court, you are tearing my clothes. What do you mean? Oppression. Look at them. Because you hold life. You cannot go a whole bandit. What do you mean? You are fucking scared. Without life, you can't stand me. You are fucking scared. You can't stand me. Look at them. What did I say to you? I have to go in. What did I do to you? Please. What did I do to you? See you. I have a lot to you. So, you are so happy. Why are they overseers when it comes to Sowore's case? Don't calm down. Young Nigerians, look at you. Oppressors are using you. You are not oppressors use them too. This is Nigeria, you not strong on us. I don't to my ship. I don't know why they fought him. What I try to say. What I try to do, I put up to my head. I have business to do. I have business to do. It is sad. You see, this is the problem we have in this country. When it's time to stand for your rights, people try to push the issue like as if it's nothing. You don't have business to be here in the first place. Citizens are supposed to have access to this place free. But because Nigeria is a banana republic, look at the faces, ants and cats. Is it a war zone? You will not even go to Oyo to help you kidnap kids. You will not free for the right whenever we don't see Sowore. That is something. I'm not going to